To use the Verity mod, you have to do some setup. First of all, if your region supports it, go to console.groq.com, click create API key after you signed in, then copy this key. Then when you're back inside of Minecraft, go to mods, Verity Forge, config, AI settings, and then paste using Control V in this section. Then you can choose your AI intelligence level. I can choose intelligent. And then if you want to use the native TTS, which is built into your OS and uses 0 tokens, you can just press yes. But I won't be using that. Then you can choose your TTS voice, text-to-speech voice. The default is Daniel, which sounds most like Verity, I think. And then make sure your AI provider is set on groq. Then press save and quit, done, go back in your game, and it should work.
I'm ready to help. What's up?
And as you can see, it works. Now, if you want to talk to him with your voice, you're going to require a mic and go to options, controls, keybinds, scroll until you see Verity mod, and then bind talk to Verity to anything you want. And then make sure you have cycle selected mic on anything you want as well. Then go in game and choose which mic you want to use. I'm going to choose microphone Realtek audio, which is the one that should work for most people. Testing.
Testing successful.
Boom. And it works. If it says nothing, or it doesn't work, or it just says thank you, that means your mic isn't working. So then just cycle to something else until it works and just troubleshoot. If you cannot hear him, go back to groq, go to playground, then find Orpheus V1 English. And there should be a pop-up over here. If there's no pop-up, go and search through all of these until you see one where you can authorize or activate text-to-speech. Once you've done this, go back in the game, talk to him, and it should work. If this still doesn't work, or you run out of tokens, go to mods, Verity Forge, config, AI settings, and check use native TTS and set it to yes. Now it will use your OS's native TTS.
I'm working properly.
It sounds much worse, usually, but it is free and completely unlimited. Now, if your region does not support groq, or nothing is working, or you can't sign in, you can use the new provider called OpenRouter that I just added in. OpenRouter is available in Russia, which is the most highly requested region. Then you're gonna have to go back into your browser, and then instead of using groq, search OpenRouter and go to openrouter.ai. Sign in, and then once you're in your dashboard, then go to API keys on the left, and then press new key. Call it anything you want. I'll call it Minecraft 2, and then you will get this long key again. Click copy. Once you're back inside of Minecraft, paste the API key in, and make sure the AI intelligence level is set to fast. Use native TTS is set to yes, and your AI provider is of course OpenRouter. Once you're done with this, it should work.
All good here.
As you can see, it is slower, and it does not have voice detection, unfortunately. But it is available in way more regions. Hopefully you enjoy the Verity mod, and have a good day.